Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a study plan with ChatGPT. So to create a study plan with ChatGPT, follow these steps: identifying learning goals, define what you want to achieve and the topics to cover. You will just use prompt like act as an expert in subject. You will just simply type your favorite subject and give them command that help me to create a study plan on like biology on daily basis. So I will just tab on for the search. And here's a simple daily study plan for biology, ensuring steady progress with comprehensive coverage. So if I just scroll down, so it a daily study plan for biology. So warm up 10 minutes and revise key concept from the previous day. Use flashcards for terminology or diagram. So you will see it will a plan for me for my daily basis studies on biology. You will see. And would you like to weekly breakdown for long-term planning? So if you are interested in long-term, you will just give them command yes, and I will learn in long-term plannings. So that's it. So in this way, you can just plan any subject of your study by using ChatGPT, and you can simply use it. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.